Hello class, my name is Miss Lee and today we're going to be learning about prefixes. Today's learning objectives for today is that students will learn how to identify common prefixes like re, dis, un, and pre. And students will create new words by adding prefixes to understand the new meaning. So, what are prefixes? Prefixes are a word, syllable, or letter added to the beginning of a root word to create a new word. When a prefix is added to a root word, it alters the meaning. Example, for the word appear, this is going to be the base word and it means come into sight. And when you add the prefix this to the base word, it means the opposite of appear. And for the example, reappear, the prefix is re and it's added to the base word and it means appear again. Some of the common prefixes that we are going to be learning are re, dis, un, and pre. For the prefix re, it means again. Example, rebuilt. When I put the prefix re in front of built, it means to build again. And for the prefix dis, it means not or opposite of. And when you put the prefix dis in front of disagree, it means the opposite of agree. And for the prefix un, it means not. So when you put the prefix in front of the base word, for example, like unlock, it means to not lock. And for the prefix of pre, the meaning is before. So when you put the prefix in front of the base word, like for example, preheat, it means to heat before. So for today's lesson, for the first lesson, we're going to highlight and write the meaning of the prefix word. For example, for the word unsafe, I'm going to highlight the prefix word, the prefix, which is going to be un, and I'm going to write the meaning. So the meaning for unsafe means it's not safe. So you're going to write your meaning down here and you're going to highlight your prefix. So I'll give you guys a couple minutes for you to highlight and write the meaning of the prefix words. Okay, so welcome back. We're going to go over the assignment. So this is what I had. So I see that everyone did exactly what I did, and you guys did a wonderful job with highlighting and writing the meaning of the prefix words. Now we're going to go to our next assignment. Our next assignment is prefix practice worksheet. So for this assignment, you're going to be working in groups. And before I let you guys work in groups, let me go over the extra instructions with you all. So for part one, you're going to write which word is being described. So let me go over question number one for you. Question number one. To heat before. What is that word going to be? See, we have the base word heat and we have context clues like before. So if it's before, that means that it's going to be preheat. So you're going to write the word preheat in this little line. And then for part two, you're going to add a prefix pre, re, un, and dis to the base word to create a new word. This one's going to be a little bit tricky, but I think that you guys could do pretty good. So we'll break you guys into groups and we'll be right back in a couple minutes. Okay, welcome back. I want to go visit each group and you guys did have some wonderful answers. So let's go over it together as a class. Oh, I guess almost everyone got exactly what I had. And I do want to say for part two, it was a little tricky with the word of school and true and known, because this was a little bit tricky for you guys. But good job. Everyone had great teamwork. I see that you guys were communicating well and working together. Now we're gonna recap everything we have learned today. So, what are prefixes? Can somebody raise their hand to give me an answer to what are prefixes? Okay, yes. Prefixes is a word, syllable, or a letter added at the beginning of the root word to make a new word or to create a new word. When a prefix is added to the root word, it alters the meaning. And what are the four prefixes that we have learned today? Okay, I'm gonna pick you. Yes, the four prefixes we have learned today are re, dis, un, and pre. Thank you all for listening and staying tuned. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.